Hey everyone, welcome to Back the Channel Auto Update. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and efficient compact cars on the market. With a sleek redesign, it combines modern styling with the practical features Toyota is known for. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned driver looking for a smart, no-fuss ride, the 2026 Corolla offers a lot to love. Starting with the exterior, the Corolla boasts a refined, sporty look with sharper lines and a more aggressive front grille. The headlights have been upgraded with LED technology, providing a sleeker, more dynamic appearance. The overall shape is compact, but with enough muscle to give it a fresh, modern presence on the road. It's clear Toyota aimed to blend performance and style in this update. Step inside, and the 2026 Corolla offers a more tech-forward cabin than ever before. The dashboard features a larger touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, giving the interior a modern, premium feel without being overly complicated. The seats are supportive and well padded, with higher trims offering synthetic leather for a more luxurious touch. There's plenty of space in the front, though the back seat is a bit tighter for taller passengers, but still comfortable enough for short trips. When it comes to comfort, the Corolla excels in its quiet cabin and smooth ride quality. Even on rougher roads, the suspension does a great job of absorbing bumps, and road noise is kept to a minimum, making long drives a pleasant experience. The seats are comfortable for extended periods, with ample adjustments available for the driver and front passenger to find the perfect position. Performance-wise, the 2026 Corolla offers a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between efficiency and power. It's quick enough for city driving, with just the right amount of acceleration for merging onto highways. The hybrid variant is especially appealing for those looking to save on fuel costs, delivering impressive mileage without sacrificing too much on performance. The steering is light but precise, and the car handles with confidence, offering a smooth, responsive drive for everyday commutes. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Corolla continues to be a standout in the compact sedan segment, combining reliability, modern features, and excellent fuel efficiency. It's a car that knows what it does well and delivers consistently, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for a practical yet stylish ride. Whether you're after a reliable commuter car or something that won't break the bank, the Corolla delivers on all fronts, maintaining its place as a top contender in its class.